sweet, but it makes no difference, cause they're not your feet. You want it all, but you can't have it. Crying, bleeding, lying on the floor, so you lay down on it, then you do it some more. You got to share it, so you dare it, then you bear it, and you deserve it. You want it all, but you can't have it. It's in your face, but you can't grab it. It's alive, afraid,